The hell are you doing out here?
Yeah, this is still pretty good red. I'm such a hoarder, I'm like, I can't throw this away.
Step socks. Oh, my battery? Is my battery already gonna die almost? Damn near, huh? That's not cool. Hey!
The battery's just gonna die on this.
Yeah, the battery's gonna die. Alright. Here we are. Kyle's garage. We got the AE86 here.
Follow me at Millie Chucks.
Okay, yeah. I mean, if you want to, you can follow him at Millie Chucks. So, what are we doing today, sir?
Today we're trying to fix a coolant leak that I'm having on the bypass pipe, which sits right above the water pump.
You got a leak, huh? Ooh, it's looking sexy in here. We need to clean it up a little more, though. It could be shinier. What do we got going on here, Chief?
So I don't know if you could reach down and see over here, but it's kind of a little wet. You can see where the leak is at. Yeah, so the proper solution to that is to replace the pipe and the O-rings. But I'm just doing a temporary fix and pulling it out and replacing the O-rings and just putting a little bit of RTV until we get the proper parts to really fix it.
What do we got going on? You got an event tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow we got Good Luck League, so we're prepping the car for Good Luck League. That's really my only problem.
Let's go, man. Yo, dude, it's ice cream, man. No, I can't get ice cream this time. Not this time, maybe next time. He comes by here all the time. We don't have any seconds. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. Alright, so while Kyle fixes the leak on this thing, I'm going to go ahead and wash the 240. Let me introduce you to that car. It's not about you, Kyle. It's about the 240. Okay. Yeah. So this is the 240. We're trying to have Benal Drift Team over here. It's a little dusty right now. Pretty stock. But it's already got coilovers, welded diff, so we can slide it already. Oh yeah, we got a newish clutch, but I don't know. Yeah, it's pretty trash. Probably gonna have to change that out. There's a little O-ring you gotta change?
Yeah, well, I changed the O-rings already. The problem is the cylinder, the grooves where the O-ring sits is starting to get worn out, and I'm assuming it's starting to leak from there. So I'm gonna see if little RTV will remedy that.
What do we got?
Did you want me to pull out the wagon so you have like a lot of room to wash the car?
Oh yeah, give me all the space, bud. All right, I got this Meguiar's wax and wash. All the clouds are going away. I liked having the clouds out for washing the car. One drift bucket gets a wash. All right, let's get started. All done washing the 240. Not sure why I spent so much time on that. It's like polishing a turd or putting lipstick on a pig. But let's see how it came out. While I was doing that, Kyle went to the store and got some RTV. What else did you get?
Pretty much just grabbed blue RTV, drained my coolant. Now I just gotta dry all the places I need to put RTV on. This needs to be dry on top right
146, bro. We got about 45 minutes to finish up here.
Word? Oh shit, well, we're probably gonna be over, because the RTV is gonna take at least an hour to dry.
I knew it.
But, I mean, that'll be better for us, because it'll be a lot cooler by the time we want to go slide. So.
Oh yeah, that's right. End of the video, hopefully we'll be out at the street spot sliding.
Test driving this bitch, you know?
Yeah, gotta test it out before tomorrow.
Mega blue RTV.
Mega blue up on this. Oh my god, there's blue stuff everywhere. You're blowing it, Kyle.
It's like the blue guys.
Oh my God, Blue Man Group. Yeah, okay. So once he figures that out, we're gonna let it dry for an hour, and then we'll come back to this. Mahon S13. Where we at, dog?
All the RTV's dry.
RTV's dry, and then
Gotta put the O-rings back on, but
Think
before I do, I
about
put them. I'm gonna grease these beaches.
grease them.
Check for that leak.
It's looking like it's ready.
Let's find a tire shop.
The first tire shop was closed, so we gotta go to another one. Hopefully they'll be able to help us out. Okay, so spot 2 was also not able to change the tires out for us. We're on to a third tire shop now. You already called them? And they said they can do it?
Yep.
Alright, we'll see. All tire service. Spot number 3. Always scraping on the way in. Low, low. I'll let you know how it goes.
Maybe we could even get an alignment here.
You in the video? Yeah, dude, video. About to make a video for the car today. Gonna go take it. Yeah, you know. Air conditioning. So good. was a couple other people at the skid pad we go to, but it was all good. But the car, what do you think, Kyle? I mean, you drove it, I didn't drive it today.
A1. No leak. Usually it would leak even after commute. Just checked it after drifting. 0 leaks.
Nice.
Good luck prep.
Success on the good luck prep. Now we gotta just drive this super bumpy road to get out of this place. But yeah, thanks for watching episode number 1, or maybe it's number 2. We haven't decided yet. But
We shall see.
yeah, we shall see. Stay tuned for more. Okay, bye. Say bye, Kyle.
Later.
Yeah, I got him.